Oh, dude, that double barrel is sick, man. That's beautiful, man.
Yeah, I just got out of the special forces, so I figured give myself a little snack. This thing is simple, easy. Trying to figure out how to ghost load it though. I've heard there's a third round. It's just 3-inch or 3.5. Do you know anything about these things?
Okay. Well, you got me at ghost loading a double barrel. What does it say on the barrel? It's 3.5. You don't want to blow yourself up, man.
Yeah, anyway, this thing is pretty cool, but if you know anything about these things, like, I think that's, yeah, oh, that's 3.25. Yeah, you think that would work?
Yeah, I think I'm done here. You have a good one, Kurt Cobain.